I started studying at EHC Geneva. Then I decided to travel to Qatar to discover some new cultures, to discover a challenging working environment, I would say. I've gathered quite a lot of experience there over almost 2 years, and then I decided to come back, finish up my degree, and I joined Visium shortly after. I really got curious into the idea of Visium, which was to help businesses adopt cutting-edge solution using machine learning. What attracted me as well a lot was the culture, the fact that we're trying to design solutions that will make a difference, will better situations, companies, society, and this is what I care the most about being at Visium, is having an impact. We've been incorporated since May 2018. We quickly grew. Now we're 22 people at Visium. We've worked on over 20 projects in different industries, from pharmaceutical to industrial to financials to sports. What we would like to do as well is expand more. We're starting with Zurich this year. Maybe next year we can start with other countries in Europe as well. For us, it's always expanding more, growing more, so we can have an impact on every project that we choose to take on. It's one of our very first projects, and I like talking about it because it shows how much we need to get out of our comfort zone and do whatever it takes to satisfy the client. That project was part of a smart city project. The idea basically was to monitor sounds that were related to security events, to classify them as a potential danger, and to send signals to the local authority pinpointing the location from where the sound came. What's interesting about this project is that this project started as a, I would say, basic sound classification problem, and it brought as well some hardware part. We needed to embed AI even on the device to allow them, to be placed in different places throughout the city and to monitor those security-related sounds. The engineers that I would say that were lucky enough to work on that project back in the days had a very challenging task as well, because again, they were more focused on working on software usually, and they ended up having to find a solution to create a hardware. So we did print some 3D boxes, we mounted them ourselves, we even had to do some soldering ourselves. So it was really, I would say, a homemade project entirely. And the project was a success as well. The client we worked the project on was participating at some competition around the smart city project, and he won the competition thanks to the product we developed for him. My position at Visium is business development manager. I started working a bit on lead generation. Lately I've been much more focused on the recruiting and on the human resources in general of the company. What I'm trying to create here is really a community of people around Visium to transmit this culture of passion for AI, passion to transform businesses, to transform society for the better and for a positive impact. I would say our team activities. Now we do have a lot of fun activities. We try to create this team spirit like any good startup. We really try to bring people together that have the same mindset, that want to work towards the same goal we're trying to reach, which is to accelerate the adoption of AI for the good of society and businesses.